Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And recently I've got AKASO V50X from Amazon. So this is how the packing looks like from outside. So we'll just open it and do the unboxing. So let's proceed. So if you get the package inside some water purifier or any other cardboard, don't get nervous because the real action camera comes like this. So overall packing is very good and it's very safe, I guess. This is the V50X. So outside we have the camera here and we have the specifications. So we'll just open the camera. So the camera is already in waterproof casing and it has like protection covers here. I'll just pull it out. I would say that packing is very nice, so it's also protective and we have lots of things inside. Okay, so this opens sideways. So we have the main camera here and the accessories here. We'll just check it out, whatever the accessories we have got. Oh, so these are, I would say these are many accessories. Okay, this is quick reference guide. You can just check it out. Also, you have many videos on YouTube how to use this camera. So I'll just keep it inside for a while. I'll just take this camera out. So to take out this camera, you have to remove this rubber pin. Press this and pull out. So yeah, so this is the box. I'll keep it aside, the quick guide. So we'll first check out the accessories. So we have this circular mount which will go on the helmet. It looks like these are the circular mounts. This is universal size. So if you are getting it from AKASO, you can use it on GoPro also. And this is cleaning cloth along with tapes. And this is a remote. So you can mount this camera on your helmet or on the bike. You can just press this one for photo and this one for video. So this is a good thing. This is again helmet sticking mounts. They have given like 2 to 3. So we already have this tape. So just stick it on your helmet and attach the camera like this. So we have these ones here, and this is the wristband, so you can attach your camera onto your wrist also. So these are the wristbands. This is the battery charger, so at a time you can charge 2 batteries. This is the charging cable. This is normal USB, mini USB I would say. So we have 2 batteries here and capacity of each battery is 1350 milliampere hour. So yeah, we have good capacity of this battery. So we have 2, so that is a very good part of this. I'll just keep it aside. We will use this for our action camera for now. And these are other mounts like this. You can attach your action camera here. Along with this, you can lock. So this is another similar mount. We have additional casing for this is the waterproof casing. So this is totally waterproof. If you remove this back panel and attach this one, you can use it for motor blocking as a protection case. Also you can have this air and like sound can travel through this. So this is good part, like if your internal bike is located here, so you can whatever you are speaking, it will pass through this. But in this one it will not pass because it's totally waterproof. We have another wrist here. This is for the remote. You can attach your remote here and you can tie it on your wrist. So it goes like this. So we have another J mount here. This is the one which generally people use for moto vlogging on their helmet. So your it goes on the helmet like this and camera comes like this. So that is how the vlogging is done generally. And this is another mount, and this is a mount which can be attached on your leg guard or handlebar. So this is also good one with a rubber grip here. So overall they have given so many accessories additionally. So this is best part of this AKASO action camera. And we'll just for timing we'll just keep it aside. So we will focus on our action camera now. So I'll just open it. To open it, just pull it up, lift, pull it back. Yeah. So this is how our action camera looks. And the waterproof casing, I'll keep it aside. So this is how it looks. The screen, the capture button, the internal microphone, LED, and up and down button. This is the mic. Okay, this is the speaker and this is the mic. And we have that universal mount, and this is the battery compartment. So we'll just insert the battery, and this is also to pull out the battery. So it is attached in the battery itself. So just pull it and so just push it inside, pull this one and push this to lock. So now our action camera is locked with the battery. So we have this USB type and micro card reader, also for like one more port for connecting to your TV or laptop directly. So this is the mode button and power button, and this is our main lens. This is adjustable, like you can adjust it based upon the focus you need. So this has, just remove this one. Yeah, so the lens is very clean because it's a new camera, so we need to be careful. This is replaceable. You can take it out using you just need to rotate it and take it out. So I'll just lock it here. So this is the pin and it goes here. Okay, so now it is locked, so no gap is there. So we'll just start it. So power button is here. So we have starting sound also. Okay, so no SD card inserted. So I'll just remove this also. So we have our battery status, microphone status, and here we have whatever the focus we are having, like resolution. This is the whatever the photos we have saved, it will come here. So we will just see the modes here. So these are the resolutions we have in AKASO V50X: 4K 30 fps, 2.7K 30 fps, 2K 60 fps. So basically many resolutions are there, and 1080p 3 resolutions are there, 720p. So 720p 60 is the 720p 30 fps is the least, and 4K 30 fps is the most best one here. So, and in camera we have resolution option of 20 megapixel, 12, 8, 5, 3, and also we have many options like timer, time lapse, burst photos, scene, exposure value, exposure time. So these are many like customizable options based upon the output of the image you need. Similarly, we have in video also. So image stabilization is there, gyroscope is there, video encode is there, so slow motion is there. So slow motion is available only in two resolutions, 1080p 90 and 720p 120 fps. So also we have still photos in the video, and still photo time, time lapse intervals, loop recording, external microphone. So if you are connecting your external microphone here in this one USB type, so you can just put this option as on. Okay, but if you are not connecting any external mic, you need to keep it as off. So this is the one of the important things here. So if audio record is selected, it will record the audio, otherwise it will not record the audio. Exposure value, ISO, white balance. So many customizable options are there. And in settings, what we have, sounds we have, yeah, so volume, ketone, touch tone, everything is customizable here. Angle maximum is 170 degree and lowest is 70 degree. So that means the field of the coverage part, it will be recording. So 170 it will be highest, lowest will be 70 degree. So driving mode, it will record in continuous loops, and auto power off after how many minutes it should power off. So this we have LED indication that camera is on. So even if you have mounted here, you can see this indication here. And yeah, what we will do, I will just take few of the shots and few of videos and I'll attach. So based upon that, you can decide how you like this quality of the camera. But build wise, I would say it is very premium kind of quality, and it looks good, and it is very sturdy material. It's not like other kind of cheap action camera. In terms of look, it is well built, I can say. So this is the speaker, this is the mic, and yeah. I'll be uploading the video samples and photo samples in the upcoming video, so stay tuned. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.